Good luck.
Thanks. Huh?
See if we can salvage some of this today. Oh, nice, nice. Pour in the middle.
Oh wait, there's like I gotta do right here.
Maybe I'd hit it with the torch, see if anything bubbles up. Wish you didn't put any, what you call it on it, right?
No, but when you
Yeah, it's looking good. Don't melt the cup.
I know. That would be me.
Pretty neat, pretty neat. You know what I would do in the middle? I do, you leave that purple there. Now you need something, if you pour,
How if I put a hole in here and pour paint in there?
no, why don't you make like different colors, rings that go out till it reaches the purple. So if you put it in the middle, let's take this off, okay? You want to take it off? And don't dribble now. Get it away from there fast, there you go. Okay, so if you took and you poured white right in the center till you got a thing, then you poured the next color right on top of it in the center, so it starts going out until it gets all different colors that you used in here round to in the center. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I just don't like this because that's muddy right there.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's going to dry fine. Okay, now if you pull that till, yeah, it looks kind of neat. If you pull that till it reaches the purple.
Okay.
Pull it out. That's all. Just go on the same line that you did before.
I gotta go to the white, into the white.
You'll pull the white if you pull the color. Well, you know, there's not going to be, you didn't really smush much, you know.
So what does that mean?
So I doubt we're going to get any kind of cellular action here.
Well, I'll spray it with the stuff
Yeah, okay, looks nice.
in a couple hours.
Looks nice. You like it?
It's okay.
Looks.
All right, let's
But
see
you
what
can keep
happens.
pulling if you want to pull the white away.
Nah,
Just-
it's all right.
Okay.
It might turn out gorgeous. Who
Have a
knows?
great day. Please subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends. Give us a thumbs up. Check out our other paintings on eBay. Username John Him. This is John and Patty from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium. Say thank you for watching. Be kind to one another. Enjoy each moment of every day. Paint your heart out. And peace.
Peace.
Bye.